Hi everyone. So today let's see how to use a bigger size of flat along with a fitted shell or squishy. Okay, for babies who are smaller, for smaller babies for whom pad fold would be bulky. So first we'll make this into an origami fold. This, so we have made this into an origami with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 layers, 8 layers in the center. So now after this what we can do is get the squishy, size it according to your baby using the rice snaps. So now I'll make it into the smallest rice. So now this is the smallest rice of the diaper. After this, place this here onto the diaper. If necessary, make an additional fold this way. If you want, you can even place a fleece liner here. The fleece liner won't let baby feel wetness. All the pee will pass through this liner. This cloth itself will remain dry and the lower cloth will get wet. So you can place the baby this way. First you can get this done. Roll the sides like this. This is the basic flat fold called origami fold, and the sides you can roll it like this, and this is called a jelly roll fold. So if you are comfortable with the snappy, you can just place the snappy here this way, or even tuck the edges like this for smaller babies. But just in case you are not very comfortable this way, so what you can do is put this over. There. And it's done. Tuck all the excess fabric inside. There you go. So as you can see, it's quite trim, not at all bulky, and you can pull over a romper easily on top of this. Another alternate is this, the budget nappy, which can also be used in the same way. So what you can do is this, you can remove this and simply put this on top like this. This does not have rice snaps, so what you can do is just fold down the rice as necessary and put the velcro up. These are our budget nappies. Again, tuck the excess fabric inside. you're good to go.